Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you a new feature in XPression Maps using a blend mode with full screen background images. So here I'm in XPression Maps, and one of the things that some broadcasters like to do is soften up some of these maps because they're just kind of hard looking. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to import something I'm going to put on top of this, and I'm going to use a blend mode. So I'm in my miscellaneous group, and I'm going to click on New Drawing. And when I do that, I'm going to choose to type background. And when I do, it opens up to a folder, and I just happen to have one here. I've got one called corner shading. And you can see what it really is here. It's white and gray, blackish kind of fading. And I'm going to change my blend mode from regular to multiply. Now when I do that, what's going to happen when it puts this onto my image that I'm using, you'll see how I do this in a minute. It's kind of an interesting trick. I'm going to get the corners darkened, but the rest of the map is going to be fine. So I'm going to click Done. Now when I do that, I'm working in OpenStreetMaps or OSM style B 3D buildings. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to my Style, Map Styles, and it knows what I'm working in, but I'm just going to scroll down and confirm. And here I am. I'm OSM style B 3D buildings. I'm going to click Edit. Now, what I want you to notice is I have this choice for a full screen raster, and it shows it by default here, which is kind of interesting. It's just alphabetically at the top of the list. But you'll notice that when I have this in and I have it turned on, you can see that I now have a softening of the corners. So if I turn that off, you can see that there it is without that raster image. Here it is with the raster image. And once I do that, if I save that, that becomes part of that map style. So now I've got that nice soft glow, almost like a vignette around my map. So that's why I put that together. And again, I did that in any map I make in this style will have that soft vignette, and everything that I'm working with in the map will be underneath it.